governmental authorities set up to manage a political transition, generally in the case of new nations or following the collapse of the previous governing administration.
Provisional governments are generally appointed and frequently arise either during or after civil or foreign wars. What are the characteristics of provisional governments?
Provisional governments maintain power until a new government can be appointed by regular political process, which is generally an election. They may be involved in defining the legal structure of subsequent regimes, guidelines related to human rights and political freedoms, the structure of the economy, government institutions, and international alignment.
Provisional governments differ from caretaker governments, which are responsible for governing with an established parliamentary system and serve as placeholders following a motion of no confidence or following the dissolution of the ruling coalition.
In opinion of Yossi Shine and Juan J. Lins, provisional governments can be classified to four groups.
First, revolutionary provisional governments. When the former regime is overthrown and the power belongs to the ones who have overthrown it.
Second is the power-sharing provisional government, when the power is shared between former regime and the ones who are trying to change it.
Third, incumbent provisional governments. When the power during the transitional period belongs to the former regime.
The establishment of provisional governments is frequently tied to the implementation of transitional justice. Decisions related to transitional justice can determine. The establishment of provisional governments is frequently tied to the implementation of transitional justice. Decisions related to transitional justice can determine who is allowed to participate in a provisional government.